See this here? Well, I'm unboxing it. I've always been satisfied from when people open these. Let's go, the permanent. I got a permanent one and a physical one. Let's go. Okay, I'm redeeming the code. Then whatever fruit I'm getting, I'm going from level 1 to level 50. Here it is, the fruit box in all of its glory. Let's open it. A falcon. Out of any fruit in the game, I would rather a rocket. Just why a falcon? Oh, time to eat it. Let's see if it tastes horrible. It hurts. It hurts. Ah, my stomach. I just realized something. Look, I have fragments, but you're not supposed to be able to get in the first seed. Even if you try to buy them, well, let's say that. Guess what? You can't. Even if you're trying to buy them, you can't. In the first seed. Yeah. But I somehow managed to obtain it in the first seed. Let me get this quest. Defeat the... Does this guy have my kill? Well, he's not going to get today. Haha, I got him. Okay, I am finally at Pirate Village, and now time to kill some of my own kind pirates. That can't really be good. So... this is my first guy, the brutes. Let's go. When am I going to get to my last quest? Remember, I'm doing this all in one sitting. My last brute to kill till my next quest. I got to level 50, it just didn't pick up the recording. I think you're fine because it's only 5 levels. But anyways, there will be a picture throughout this whole recording. Alright, I'm redeeming the code of the permanent fruit. What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? It's a permanent ghost. Let's go. Where is it? It's not there. The blue one isn't there. Where is it? Where is it? I already have ghosts, so it's not like I lost it. There it is. Let's go. The permanent ghost.